In this video, we'll show you how to create new boards and how to manage existing boards. Let's begin by taking a look at your dashboard. Here, you can see all your boards, each represented by a tile. Not only does the board tile include important information, namely the number of sticky notes, the number of team members, and the last modified date. In the integrated toolbar, you can manage team members, activate or deactivate Jira, create and manage board backups, rename your board as well as archive and delete the board. In order to create a new board, simply click on the red New Board tile. You'll be prompted to name your board and choose between an empty board or one of our predefined templates. Template boards include a Stagile Projects and Stagile Management board. You can choose between two views in your dashboard, the classic tile view or the list view, which is ideal for smaller screens. The two buttons in the top right corner allow you to switch between views with just one click. If you are collaborating with a team, you can easily add team members to your board. Click on the Manage Board Team Members button. In the pop-up window, select the required users from the drop-down menu and add them with the plus button. You can choose from all licensed users in your company. Once you've added a user, you can assign them specific permissions. There are 3 different user roles. Read. The user can view the board but can't make any changes. Write. The user can add, edit, or delete sticky notes. Admin. The user has full access to all tools and features, including sticky notes, templates, backups, and user management. In the board tile, you'll also find the backup feature, the perfect tool for documentation and version management. In order to generate a new backup, click on the Create Board Backup button, add a name and optionally a comment, and save. The time and date of the backup are stored automatically. Existing backups can be viewed, restored, renamed, and deleted at any time. When you view a backup, you'll open a read-only version. All information, including links and descriptions, remains accessible, but you cannot edit anything. Users with access rights can export sticky notes, copy sticky notes to another board, download templates, and save the templates to their personal library. You can restore backups to the same or a new board, making it easy to create a copy whenever needed. Click on the Jira icon to activate the bidirectional Jira synchronization for your board. ALEAS Board can be fully integrated with Jira, including export and multi-import of stickies or Jira issues, filter functions, and full permissioning. This feature is available only to the board admin. If you want to learn more about Jira Sync, check out our Jira video. In the lower right corner of each tile, you'll find the Delete and Archive button. This lets you either delete the board permanently or move it to the archive. Archived boards are still accessible in a read-only format and can be restored to the main dashboard by the board admin at any time. Want to quickly access your favorite boards? Just click the star button in the top right corner of the board tile to mark it as a favorite. Favorites will be listed at the top of your dashboard. Once your board is set up, you can start adding content like IntelliStickies, templates, and IntelliFrames. We'll cover that in a separate video. Thank you for watching and happy collaborating.